Hello grade 2. I welcome you to the class of Social Studies. We are in lesson 3, Seasons and Climate, and it's a very interesting lesson. Let's look at the objectives. Compare and contrast climate and weather. Recognize that climate and seasons vary depending on the location and the time of the year. And describe the climate of a certain place. Let's move on. Pages 84 to 87, and here you will find seasons: spring, summer, fall and winter. Let's look at the vocabulary. Climate. So students, let's try and understand what is climate and what is season. Climate is a kind of weather a place has over a long time. Miss will read it again, and I want you to read with the miss. Climate is a kind of weather a place has over a long time. What are seasons? A season is a part of the year that has a certain kind of weather. Here we see the picture of fall. The United States has many kinds of regions. The location of a region affects the kind of seasons and climate it will have. So, whichever place on the earth you are located, it will determine what kind of weather it has. Let's understand this further. Each season has characteristic weather conditions and activities that we do during them. The names of the 4 seasons are winter, spring, summer and fall. Winter, spring, summer and fall. Have a look at this image. The season a place has depends on how the earth is facing the sun. As you can see, the earth is rotating in its axis. The earth orbits the sun in a tilted position. It is summer in places that are tilted towards the sun, and obviously wherever it is tilted away from the sun, it is winter. So, when the earth rotates around its axis, the part of the earth that faces the sun has summer, and the part of the earth that is tilted away from the sun has winter. What do you see in this image, children? Yes, it's a snowfall. What are some of the characteristics of winter? Now, in some countries like Russia, America and others, the weather is cold with lots of snow and rain. Winter weather is good for snow activities. And let's talk about spring now. What are some of the characteristics of spring? The weather starts to warm up. The sun comes out again. Spring weather is good for picnics and biking. Now, we talk about summer. The weather is sunny and hot with blue skies. What do you think is fall? Look at this image. What is happening to the leaves? Yes, the leaves are falling. The weather is usually cool and the leaves change color and fall to the floor. That's a reason why this weather is called fall. Again, climate is the kind of weather a place has over a long period of time. Okay, what do you see in front of you? Can you guess the region? Very good, it's a desert region. Okay, and why do they cover their nose and mouth, some of them, when they go in the desert? In the first image you will see, so that they protect themselves from the sand. Here's a fast fact. Why do you think we have certain fruits and vegetables in our markets all the year round? The answer is fruits and vegetables that cannot be grown in hot weather can be shipped from places with favorable weather conditions. Now, have you heard about baladna? Have you seen some of the things, some of its products in your fridge? Yes, children. Baladna is Qatar's leading and largest dairy producer. So, in summary, the location of a place affects the weather, climate, and seasons. I would like you to do page number 16 as homework. If you have any doubts, you can go back to this PPT to understand it better. Thank you, and I wish you a fantastic day ahead. Bye.